So hi developers, I am Stone. Today we are going to solve two coding questions. These two coding questions were asked by Altmetric company to one of my friends. So that friend is currently changing the job. So he has been asked by the Altmetric company, the interviewer, the two coding questions. So let's see what is that the coding question. Okay. So there are two coding questions. I will first we will focus on one coding question. So as you can see, the input is A, B, C, D, E, and the output should be A, and B should be capital of B, and B and another B will be small, and for C the initial will be capital C and another will be 2C. Okay, 2 small c. So similarly for D and D will be the same. So let's write the program. So let's take the input first. String input equal to A, B, C, D, E. Now you will use a string builder, because we can use string also, since string are immutable. So don't so we will not use those things. We will directly use a mutable object, that is string builder equal to new. Will this should be an empty string builder. Then we will split the the input string to char. For that I will use char alphabets input dot to char array. Oh my god, sorry, to char array. So what it will do, it will split A comma B comma C comma D comma E. So up to this our work is done. So for now we will use a loop. Okay, we will use a for loop. So because we want index here, index is the important thing. We will hold the first letter that will be coming inside the loop. So for this we will hold the first character that is coming inside the loop, because we need the first letter as an uppercase, then all those letters are lowercase. So we will run an inner loop. For int j is equal, make sure the j should be less than equal to I, j plus plus. If, because since we need the upper letter should be the first letter should be uppercase, so we need this block condition to make the alphabet uppercase. Builder dot append string dot value of temp, because since it is a character, we need to make it as a string, then to uppercase. Okay, else directly we will use builder dot append string dot value of temp. So now let's print the builder. Out builder. So let's see what is happening. As you can see, A is printed once, B is printed twice with one uppercase, C is printed thrice with one uppercase, D is printed 4 times with one uppercase, and E is printed 5 times with one uppercase. So this is, you can basically format it with using space or something like that. Is your choice. For me, I want it like this, so I want to just show you what is the questions and what is the solution. So one second. So remember, is particularly a coding question can be approached with n number of ways. So this is the first thing that came in my mind, so I approached the problem with this type of with this solution. Okay, so you, if you have any other solution, you can achieve this. There is no great on this. Okay, so there is not a big thing. This is not a big thing. Okay, so coding question can be approached with a n number of ways. So let's move to the second question. As you can see here, the input we have given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, T, J, and the output should be C, D, A, B, G, H, E, F, T, J. Okay, T, J. And the second input is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, T, J, K, L. But the output should be C, D, A, B, G, H, A, B, sorry, C, D, A, B, G, H, E, F, K, L, T, J. So if you remember, so if you have noticed, if it is an odd, so this thing will be appended at the, or except this, all will be shuffled. But if it is an even, all the letters will be shuffled. So this is the main insight that you have to find in the program. Okay, so let's approach this program. Similarly, we will use string to hold the input. String input equal to AB, CD, EF, GH, TJ. We will use a string builder equal to new string builder. Empty string builder you want because we want to append our output in this. So again we need to split it. We don't need it to 2-char array. We cannot use 2-char array here because here we want to, based on some rejects, we want to split it. Here the rejects will be space. Since string dot split return a string of array, we will create a string of array. Input dot split. So this is our rejects space. So we will create one variable length equal to 0. Initially we will put the length equal to 0. Then we will use if letters dot length divided by 2, letters dot length plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 0. I will tell you why I use plus 1. I will tell you. Else, let's complete this block first. I'll tell you why I used 1 here. So here I want length equal to letters dot length is equal to letters dot length minus 1. Since so this is an array, so if you see the length will be 1 2 3 4 5, but it is an array. Okay, the array index starts from 0, so that's the reason I made it with 1. So as per the logic, if you see 0 1 2 3 4 plus 1 5 means actual, this is the 5 is the actual array, means 5 elements actually contains the array. So that's the reason I made the plus 1 here to control, so that I will shuffle this letters, I will append tj at the last. So this is the reason I created this if block condition. So now simple, we will take an for loop int I equal to 0, I less than length I plus plus. Then we will use builder dot append letters I plus 1, because we need this one first, then this one. So I will use this like this, plus space I will use then I will use, sorry, here I need to put letters. Then I will take the first element. In the first line I have taken the second element of the array. Then I will take the first element, letters I. Here also we will give some space. Sorry, again I have used length, letters. Then we need to increment the I. Okay. So we will use I plus equal to 1, the increment, because we have used these two elements. So our pointer should point to this location. That's the reason I have made this I plus equal to 1. Since if you have since here I have used length is equal to length minus 1, what we will do, we will bring the length to the original length. What is the original length? So length equal to length plus 1. So if I will use one block, if length divided by 2, sorry, percentile 2 equal to 0, then don't do anything else append the last element to the builder. It is in odd. If the input you have has an odd number of alphabets, joint alphabets, then you have to use it. Otherwise, if we have even number of alphabets, our loop will do the work for us. We don't need this if block. Builder dot append, sorry, letters length minus 1. Okay, here we will print our builder. So let's run this program. See, my input is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. It is printing C, D, A, B, G, H, E, F and T, J is the last. So let's make it even. I want to make it KL. Okay, so let's see how it is happening. How it will print, let's see. So as you can see, it printed C, D, A, B, G, H, E, F, K, L, T, J. So it is absolutely fine. It's absolutely giving our desired result. But I have told you, you can approach this problem with a number of ways. This is the way that came to my mind while making this video, so I use this. If you have another approach, then do share with me in the comment box or in the mail ID in my description box. Okay, so this is all. So the company name is Altmetrics. The Altmetrics asked this question for the Java developer position for the 3+ years of experience. So these two questions were asked to my friend. So this is all for today's video. Thank you guys, hope you like it. Please like, share and comment so that it will support me, and thank you.